to our exclusive preview of the highly anticipated 2024 Subaru WRX, presented by Peoria Subaru. I'm thrilled to be your guide as we dive into all the exciting features this cutting-edge vehicle has to offer. Let's start with the exterior. The 2024 WRX boasts a bold and aggressive design that sets it apart from the crowd. Its sculpted lines, muscular curves, and aggressive front fascia give it a commanding presence on the road. And with its wide fenders, menacing hood scoop, and striking LED headlights, this car is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Now let's take a look inside. The interior of the 2024 WRX is both stylish and functional, with a focus on driver comfort and convenience. The cabin features high-quality materials, including soft touch surfaces, premium upholstery options, and refined accents throughout. Moving on to technology, the 2024 WRX is packed with state-of-the-art features to enhance your driving experience. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the large touchscreen infotainment system, which offers seamless connectivity with your smartphone, navigation, and entertainment options. And with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Subaru's advanced EyeSight driver assistant suite, you can enjoy peace of mind on every journey. Let's not forget about safety. Subaru has always been committed to keeping you and your passengers safe on the road, and the 2024 WRX is no exception. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, you can drive with confidence knowing that you're protected from every angle. Now let's talk performance. The 2024 WRX is powered by a turbocharged engine that delivers exhilarating performance and responsive handling. With its symmetrical all-wheel drive system, this car offers an unparalleled driving experience that's sure to thrill enthusiasts. The 2024 Subaru WRX, with its bold design, advanced technology, exhilarating performance, and top-notch safety features, this car is truly a force to be reckoned with. You can view our selection at peoriasubaru.com or give us a call at 623-298-0141.